Let's look at our Thursday packet today. Here we have it. Okay, the very first it talks about dividing in symmetry, the line of symmetry, straight up and down like that, so that one half looks like the other half. And then it has a story problem about the honey creepers of Hawaii, and it's like a little bird. And so some things, okay, while visiting Kale. I don't know how you say that, but maybe you do. Anyway, Dad saw 4 honey creepers, Jen saw 2, Mom saw 3, times as many as Jen. There's the trick question right there. Okay, let's look at that. Dad saw 4, I can picture that. Jen saw 2. Mom saw 3 times as many as Jen. How many did Mom see? And then, how many more did Mom see than Dad? That's a tricky question. All right, there's your 3rd grade question right there. That is grown up, okay? See if you can think that through. Down below is to plot the points on a graph. Remember, first to count over and then up, or across, then up. And use your ruler to connect the lines, or connect the points. I'm sorry, not the lines. All right, remember how we did it yesterday? That's going to be too low. Here, let's see if I can get it up a smidge. Still not smidgy enough. Let me see if I can get it up higher. There we go. Okay. So yesterday we learned we go over and up. Can you see that close enough? No? Okay, so I just have to hold it, and that's okay. All right. Yesterday we talked about you always start at the 0. Always remember that part. So you start here and you count over and up, over and up. So let's start the first. You go over 0. Well, that's easy enough. You're not even moving. But you are going up 1, and you're going to put a low point there. Okay. The next says you're going to go over 1 and up 2. So starting at the 0, go over 1, up 2, and put a point there. Okay, so we have 2 points. Now it says go over 2 and up 3. So over 2, up 3, and there's that point right there. And then it says go over 3 and up 4. So there's my 3, and up to 4. And there's my point there. I have one more. It says go over 0. No, it doesn't. It says go over 4 and up 0. So that would be right here. And then you're going to connect the dots using your ruler, of course. So get your trusty, rusty ruler out and connect your dots. I'll connect them here on my paper so that you can see how they should look. Okay. Hey, looks kind of like a teepee. Okay, that's what mine looks like. Okay, so go ahead and do the dots. These are new dots. These are not the same points as I just did. That was just an example. So go ahead and follow these, and then it says use your ruler to connect the points and see what you come out with. All right, on the back of your page, you've got a very large graph. So like that. You're going to find these points, and then when you get done, you're going. It tells you down below exactly what to draw. So you're going to connect point A to point B, B to C, C to D, D to E, okay? And then at the end, you're going to connect E to A and B to D. So follow the directions, and then what is the picture you get? Okay, you let me know, okay? Number 4, go ahead and write the answers. Don't forget to be sure about what you're doing. You're adding or subtracting, okay? And at the bottom, you're just doing a little multiplication there. With the 8 family, and we don't really work with that much in 2nd grade, obviously, since this is the end of the year, but you'll be working with it a lot next year, so that'll be good. All right, and that is it for your math. And then you also have a test. The next page is a test, and so I'll go ahead and make a video just for the test, okay? Okay, enjoy that math. Bye. Oh, can't do it that way.